Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and today we're going to be using this star wreath form from the Dollar Tree and some burlap ribbon. And I'm also grabbed a 1.5-inch rustic ribbon to make a cute little simple bow when we're all done with this project. So you're going to start off by wrapping your star with this burlap ribbon. And just start wherever. I am going to add a little bit of hot glue down on that star form just to make sure. Actually, I should do it on the back side. There we go. Just to make sure that ribbon's not going to go anywhere. Be careful, don't burn yourself, because this is holy ribbon, right? Now the cool thing though is like this star form, you can already see it's like catching, right? So that's the back side, which is all good. I did take this ribbon off of the bolt, right? Because there's no way that you could squeeze that bolt of ribbon through here. So I just, whatever I had left, I did not measure on my roll. I just took it off. Okay, so you see how I went through that side. We're going to go back up here. Whoop. Because you want to make sure that you are keeping all of this really, really nice and tight, because that's how you're going to keep that form going. Literally, whenever I do forms like this, I always think of like ace bandages. I'm like wrapping someone's leg. Okay, then we're going to come right over the top, right over that point, and just come down. And we're going to go through, and don't worry, we're going to glue those sides down, so we're still going to get that point. And I'm just going to keep on wrapping, making sure that I'm getting good coverage also, because you want to make sure that the form is also not going to show through your pretty burlap ribbon. So I made it to the other side. And it's really all about keeping that tension going. Okay. We're going to go up right over that point because we want to make sure that we're getting good coverage. My burlap ribbon, guys, now don't go buy all of my burlap ribbons since I told you my secret, but my secret is I get mine at Hobby Lobby when it goes on clearance in the fall section, because the fall, you know, they always go on clearance eventually. So I always try to grab this because it's just such a good ribbon to have on hand. So I do always try to grab it whenever it goes like 80-90% off. Because I cover the backs of my crosses using this. It's also just a good basic ribbon to have. And y'all know me, I love a good rustic wreath as well. Such a rustic vibe, girl. So I'm just going in, and don't worry, we are going to hot glue those points down, because I know you're like, okay, well, you're losing the shape of the star. I hear ya, but don't worry. At the very end, oh my gosh, I hope I have enough ribbon. I do have more of this, so, I mean, I can go grab another roll, but oh gosh, I don't know. Will she do it? Will we have enough? Wouldn't that be crazy if we had just enough? Oh my gosh, I think we're gonna have just enough. Oh baby. Oh, I don't know. No, I'm gonna have to add. That's okay. We're gonna add a little strip, one more strip in. I'm just gonna glue this down, and we'll add, don't you worry guys, add in a little bit. I almost had enough. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna show y'all. We're going to flip this over. We're just going to tuck in those corners and hot glue them down. I'm using my Roby cordless hot glue gun. It's definitely my favorite hot glue gun. You can grab yours on Amazon. I have them linked in my Amazon storefront. If you had clippies, which I do, which would have been such a smart thing for me to do right now, but I didn't think about it, you could clip this and move on to the next section. I think that's good enough. And we're just going to do that all the way around. Add a little bit of hot glue and just fold it in so we don't lose those points. Okay, guys, so I grabbed a piece of ribbon and I'm going to glue it because this is the back side. So we're just going to add a little bit of glue right to the back. I'm going to use my scissors to smush so we don't hurt our fingers, right? And then come right up over that point and glue that down. Oh gosh. Boop. Use my scissors so it's not so hot on my hands, because let me tell you, I love my Roby hot glue gun, but y'all, it gets hot. It gets so hot. And then once this is all good, we are going to add in, put that heavy, we are going to, fold these over real quick, just like that, adding a little bit of hot glue as we go. Don't burn yourself. Careful, because this is burlap. It has holes. Don't burn yourself. You'll look at those fingernails from the salon. Tell me you're a hairstylist without telling me you're a hairstylist, right? Okay. Cute. Okay, that's adorable. I love that. And we can even pinch this in on the crevices just to really shape that form. I'm going to glue that down. So it really looks like a star. I love a good burlap ribbon. Okay, so now I wanted to add just a super cute, simple bow. This is a 1.5 inch wired ribbon that I got from Creek Road Designs TX. Oh my gosh, that's cute with a little tail. Ooh! Okay, if you are shopping with Creek Road Designs TX on Etsy, use code AL10 and you'll receive 10% off your order. This is cute. Okay, 6-inch tails, 5-inch loops. I think that's perfect. We do that little racetrack loop in the middle. Just a little guy. Super cute, super simple bow. We're going to pull that down and around because I do want to have little tails, just little ones. Nothing crazy. Okay, so that's 6-inch tails and 5-inch loops. And we're going to grab our cable tie and thread that around right where we're holding it. Don't thread it through all the way. Make sure that you grab that pipe cleaner and slide it through. Woo! Almost dropped that. Spread out our loops. I love this rustic ribbon. I'm a sucker though. Y'all know that. I'm a sucker for rustic and farmhouse. We're going to fold that in half and cut up at an angle. That is how we dovetail everything. And then I'm going to add this around the top point. How tall should we go? A little bit further down? That's cute. So we can have that point. So I'm just going around. And then guess what? This can also double as how we hang it. So we'll make a little loop with the extra, and then I'm going to hot glue that down so our bow doesn't slide off. This project is so cute, so simple, super adorable. I love it. So let's just add a little bit of hot glue and get that going and cured. I'm just going to hold it down. And there we go. That is our super cute patriotic star, very rustic, made with a Dollar Tree form. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Sign up to be an official owlette at www.thesouthernows.com. Once you sign up, I am doing free monthly giveaways. That's what I should say. Monthly giveaways. So make sure that you sign up to be an official owlette so you'll be entered to win something free. Something free every month. Who knows what it'll be. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.